Good evening, everyone. Thank you, Rotarian Sajju, for that sweet introduction. Respected President of Rotary Club of Payangadi, Rotarian Sriju, immediate past President, Rotarian Ibrahim, Assistant Governors, Rotarian Surendranath, Rotarian Harish, District Leaders, Rotarian Sudhakaran, all the other senior Rotarians, and my dear friends. Let me take this honor first for giving me a chance to speak on the theme. And I think the more important part, one wonderful person is handling Harish, so my load is less because I have to just speak on the theme because that is the more important part of my Rotary. And I congratulate Rotary Club of Payangadi because for the wonderful projects they have done last year under the able leadership of E.T. Ibrahim. And it's also nice to see that Rotarian Sriju has been elevated from Secretary to President, because that really shows, because closely working with the President, it's always, you know, that you understand Rotary well, and it allows you to take off nicely in a presidentship. And what more you want? You have A.G. Surendranath with you. We know his capacity. I also closely worked with him when he was the president, 2016-17. Surendra, we'll never forget that year. Your wonderful year. We had a lot of projects done and lot of ups and downs, but no, wonderful year we had. So you have a great team, Sriju, and continue up the good work. And one thing especially I want to say about Payangadi is they're one club, one of the few clubs, they always do small orientation programs, which is very, very important. It can be a minor topic. That is not a problem. It can be a minor topic. Small topics, very important topics, which is especially I've seen that they do for the new member orientation. They concentrate very well. And I think the man behind that is Harish, always putting this to energy to do this program. And a wonderful team you have. Congratulations to the entire team. And I wish Rotarian Sriju and the entire team of Payangadi the very best. And with this, I inaugurate this webinar, or whatever we say, for the 2 sessions what we have. And with the permission of the President, I start off my topic. Can I, Srijan? Can see, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I've been allotted to speak on Rotary theme for the year 2021-22. We all know that the Rotary theme for the year is Serve to Change Lives. Now, when you talk about the theme, now what is a theme? Any conference, or any conference, many program you see, there is a theme which on this platform further process or activities are happening. So we have a theme for the Rotary also. And generally theme is, now when you say the motto of Rotary is service above self. So when you see all the themes for the last 10 or 12 years, it is revolving around one thing called as service. So when you say what is a theme is a piece of writing, a talk or a discussion, is an important idea or subject that runs through it. That is basically the content of what we are doing, what we are achieving by the motto of an association is a theme. So like every organization, even Rotary, we have a theme. Every year, the theme changes. So we'll just quickly look into, now when you symbolize this, now we see that Olympics, normally they have a theme every theme. On the Oscar Awards, they have theme. For every big events like this, where there is a theme and a logo. So this time during the assembly in January, that is our Rotarian Shekhar Mehta, who is from Calcutta Mahanagar, he has selected the theme as Serve to Change Lives. Now just going back to the themes, themes, just when you recap on what are the themes. Now 2015-16, it was called as Be a Gift to the World. How we are going to be a gift to the world? By doing services and touching lives of poor people. So the message is again revolving around the motto of Rotary called as service above self. Now the second, 2016-17, see the theme, Rotary serving humanity. So think about the motto of Rotary, service above self. Oro theme engine connected. So 2016-17, we have something called as The theme was Rotary Serving Humanity, and 2017-18, Rotary Making a Difference. How Rotary is making a difference? Through the service projects, what they do. The people who are touched or their lives have been different because of the help rendered from the beautiful organization called as Rotary. Now, 2018-19, we have Be the Inspiration, showing as a role model when we do services, be the inspiration for other public as a role model in Rotary doing services. So each and every year when you go through the theme, you can see that it is revolving around the motto called as service above self. Now 2019-20, Rotary connects the world because we have a lot of programs, exchange programs. We have certain grants which we get from the international for doing a service at our level. So it is a beautiful theme because Rotary connects the world. Then came the theme of 2000. So before that, now when you see this, you can see that these are the different logos along with the themes from 2015 to 2020, which I have told. And 2010 to 2015, you can see this 2010-11 is building communities, bridging continents, reach within to embrace humanity in 11-12, peace through services, 13-14, engage Rotary, change lives, and 14-15, light up Rotary. When you see this, the 13-14 theme is somewhat similar to what you say, serve to change lives. So in 13-14, it is engage Rotary, change lives. But when the entire theme is there all together, when you see, it is on the motto where the service above self, the international president declares his theme in the International Assembly when they are the Rotary International President-elect for the coming year when they will be serving as the RI president. So this is how the theme is released, and just a recap on from 2010 to 2021, what are the different themes, what we had. Then we move on to the last year theme, that is 2009-2021. Theme we all know, Rotary opens opportunities. And it coincided so well with the conditions because we all should understand that this theme was released in the month of January 2020. And March 2020, March 21st, 2020, we went for a lockdown. And everywhere, situation, how to go about with the activities of the club, how to go about with the district. There we opened a different opportunity. Not only we, everyone opened an opportunity in the sense how to go about, and we used this beautiful platform as virtual platform. And the first time we had an RI president visiting the pets, addressing the president and secretaries. Even this time we had an RI president visiting the pets. And after that, we had various senior leaders from all over the country present during the AJTS last year and during the PETS and the district assembly this year. So it has opened opportunities in a different way. Although it is a coincidence, I'm planning the Allinglam, Rotarians have served, or Rotarians have gone through this difficult times and they have opened opportunities. And this is the theme which we'll never forget because this is the starting of the COVID-19 pandemic and this is a year where we face the difficulties and the Rotary opens opportunities. And finally, we come to the theme, now serve to change lives. You can see the beautiful a hand holding the globe, that is to serve the humanity, serve and change the life of the people. That is what the message the Shekhar Mehta has sent. Now, beautifully, when you describe this theme, when you see these areas of focus, we know that there are 7 areas of focus are there. The environment is the last one which has been added to the areas of focus. Now, in this case, when you see this, it forms a complete circle. When you do the services, everywhere, when you do, it becomes a complete circle. It's literacy is there, supporting environment, disease prevention and treatment, water and sanitation. This forms a complete circle. So this is beautiful when you see and elaborate on this. And when you do a service project according to this, it creates a complete circle where you have touched completely the entire area where you cannot go wrong or you cannot leave any path in the serving the areas of focus. So these are the areas of focus, 7 areas of focus. And now come the beautiful statement what the Shekhar Mehta has explained. I think all of you would have heard him. He says that service became a way of life for him and like many others. And he adopted the guiding philosophy that this is a beautiful statement. Service is the rent that pay for the space we occupy on the earth. and we all want to be a good tenant of this earth. I think it justifies the statement that whatever we do, whatever we are touching, whatever we are doing, and I agree to what A.G. Surendranath sir said. He also, the mantra we know what our Shekhada says, do more, grow more. Do more service projects, more meaning and impactful projects, whether small or big, small or large is a different thing. Do a meaningful project. That is more important. That is what even A.G. Surendranath touched on. Do a meaningful project. Grow more. Grow more means increase the members, because that is what we are lacking in 3204. And his mission, we know that each one bring one person has to bring one new member, so that by June 30th, we reach the goal of 1.3 billion, which is his dream when he finishes his term as the president. So the areas of serve to change lives, touch the lives of people, because in whichever way, small way, wherever. Now we have done so many projects last year. Now I think even giving a TV, we saw that a lot of projects are even giving a mobile for the online classes are small things, but definitely touching their lives. That opens up them a lot of amenities for them, because once you touch the life of someone by helping or doing a service, that opens an opportunity for for them to go ahead with various other sources. Now, penning down his theme, even Shekhar Mehta, in his speech, he penned down his theme as he has beautifully written the quote: the biggest gift we are given is the power to touch a life, to change, to make a difference in the circle of life. If we can reach out with our hands, heart, and soul, the magic will begin to happen. As the wheel begins to roll, let's turn the wheel together so all humanity thrives. We'll have the power and magic to serve to change lives. And they normally say, and he ends up saying is keeping his hand on the heart. We have the power and magic to serve and change lives. And dear Rotarians, we are doing the same for so many years. We have been doing a lot of services. So this time, the legacy makers, the president and secretary, and as called by RA president, the change governors, together, let us hold hands together and serve to change lives. Thank you so much.